Hey guys, it's me, Sherry Ellis again. I just recorded a quick video since I'm sitting here at an open house, and I was talking about just tips for sellers as their host, as you know, they have their homes for sale and they're having open houses. So I thought about, what about the visitors? What about the buyers, the potential buyers? What are some tips that I can give you guys to make your open house experience the best that it could be? So the first thing I want to talk about is the sign-in sheet. So pretty much any open house you go to, they're going to ask you to sign in. So I'm going to tell you why we ask you to sign in. First reason why we ask you to sign in is because we do want information about you. We want to know what your buying goals are. Are you working with an agent? What's your timeline? We want information to better help you. Are you just looking? Are you thinking about buying a home? Who are you searching for? So we do ask a few questions. At my sheet, I try to keep very short. And so we ask for those. We do want to know who you are and what you're looking for. Second reason why we ask you to sign in is because we want to make sure that we're, as realtors, are acting and abiding by our ethics. And one of the tenets of ethics is working with someone else's client. So when you sign in and you indicate that you're working with another realtor, we know that you are already represented and we will not be contacting you to represent you. And not only that, one of the things I do touch base with your realtor, with your agent, and just share some notes on your experience here. And because they're not here with you, I do my best to assist them to help you find your perfect home. And the third reason we ask you to sign in is because of security and safety reasons. I want you all to think of it this way. If you are selling your home and you have your home open for an open house, and one of the things of when you're selling a home, sellers are not here at the open house. So you've left your home and you have all these people coming in your home. You don't know who they are. You don't know what they do. You don't know their intention. And you're not even there to protect your premises. You're not there to, just secure your property. So one of the reasons why we ask you to sign in is for security purposes. If the unforeseen case that something happens, we'll have contact information of everyone that has entered the home at that time, and we can narrow down some things, or something may unfortunately happen to you. We'll have information to help you out in case there's some type of event. We'll have information. We'll be able to track some things. So that's the third reason. So that is why we ask you to sign in. And I know that's a big thing for people, why they want to know all my information. So I'm telling you why we want to know your information. It's for those three reasons. So that's the first thing. Please sign in. Second thing, once you sign in and you've been greeted by a realtor such as myself, the host of the open house, feel free to tour the home. Do not feel that you don't have the right to look in the rooms. Open cabinets. If you're looking for cabinet space, you want to know if that pantry is large enough, open a door and look in it and see if it will be big enough to hold what you need to hold in that pantry. Laundry room, will it hold your washer and dryer? Maybe you want to add a sink. Maybe you want a house with a sink in the laundry room. Maybe you have in your mind this perfect laundry room. Open the door, look and see. Bedrooms, feel free to measure the rooms. Bathrooms, feel free to measure. Feel free to look at that home, because remember, this may be your next home. This may be your dream home. And so you want to look at those things. Feel free to look at those. Observe, make notes, ask questions. Remember, you're in that home to see if it would be a home for you or someone you love. Okay, so that's the second thing. Feel free to tour the home. The third thing, and yes, I have to bring this one up, respect the owner's property in the same vein of touring the home. So if you're opening a closet door and you see clothing hanging, because some owners are still living in their home, but you need to know how big that closet is. Feel free to open the door and look in the closet, but please respect the property that is in that closet. If you see some vase on a table, on a dining room table, Respect that property. Don't touch and pick it up and things like that because you may break it and we don't want to do that, right? So just ask that you do respect the owner's property. And the last thing I want to say is feel free to give feedback on the home. Most of the time, the realtor will ask, what did you think of the home? We want you to be honest. We truly want your feedback. We want the truth. So feel free to give feedback on what you think of the home. Were the rooms too small? Are they too large? Is this home too small for you? If this home too large for you, is there something that the seller can do that can present their home in a better way to sell? Please feel free to share that information with us. We definitely would appreciate it. So buyers, visitors, please feel free if you have any questions about buying a home or when you're going to an open house, my information is down below. Feel free to contact me if you know someone that is in the market to sell or buy. Let them call me, contact me, and I'll be more than happy to assist. So just take those pointers, my buyers, and enjoy your next open house. Talk to you later. Bye.